Later that day, Diego was pulling a passenger train. He was still sad about Danielle not talking to him, but he pulled his passenger train along the main line. He even pulled his passenger train very well, until he had to stop at a signal. Diego waited. He was feeling very sad. Just then, after waiting a little while, there was Alex Gardner. He loved seeing Diego, and he puffed up next to him. And he said, "Oh, hey Alex, I'm not feeling well." "I don't know, Alex. It's just not the same." "Oh, well, thank you, Alex. I do appreciate it. And Alex, I want you to listen to this. If you see her, just tell her I miss her, okay?" Alex smiled.
I was done with.
And Alex just said, in and with that, Diego felt a little better. And then Alex Gardner told Diego that Danielle might be with him sometime. And after hearing that, Diego blew his whistle in excitement. Diego blew his whistle in excitement. When he was preparing to, after he was fully prepared to leave, he blew his whistle. But Diego blew his whistle.